Hello everyone, good day. By the way, my name is Idalyn Siguran Tumales. So, in this video, I will talk about the elements of computer system, the classification, capabilities, and its limitations, and lastly, the advantages and disadvantages of computer system. But first, let us define first the computer system's elements. There are 6 types of computer system. First, we have the hardware, software, people, procedure, data, and connectivity. Hardware is the physical components of computers constitute. These include keyboard, mouse, monitor, and processor. Hardware consists of input devices that make a complete computer system. Examples of input devices are keyboard, optical scanner, mouse, and joystick, which are used to feed data into the computer. Output devices such as monitor and printer are media to get the output from the computer. So software is a set of programs that interface between the hardware and the user of a computer system. There are 6 types of software. First is the system software. It is a set of programs that control the internal operations such as reading data from input devices, giving results to output devices, and ensuring proper functioning of components. Second, application software is a programs designed by the user to perform a specific function, such as accounting software, payroll software, and etc. Third, we have operating system. It is a set of tools and programs to manage the overall working of a computer using a defined set of hardware components. It is the interface between the user and the computer system. The 4 types of software is utility software. It is a certain special purpose programs that are designed to perform a specialized task, such as functions to copy, cut and paste files in computer, formatting a disk, and etc. The 5th is language processor. Language processor is a special software to accept data and interpret it in the form of machine or assembly language understandable by a computer. It also ensures the correctness of language syntax and errors. Lastly, the connectivity software is a set of programs and instructions to connect the computer with the main server to enable sharing of resources and information with the server and other connected computers. The 3rd elements of computer system is people. People is the most important element of a computer system, the user. The people or user is also called liveware of the computer system. There are 3 types of people interact with the computer system. The system analysis, the people who design the operation and processing of the system programmers, people who write codes and programs to implement the working of the system, and the system operators who operate the system and use it for different purposes. They are also called end users. So, next we have the procedures. Procedures is a step-by-step series of instructions to perform a specific function and achieve desired output. There are also 3 types of procedures in a computer system. The hardware-oriented procedures, it defines the working of a hardware components. Software-oriented procedure, a set of detailed instructions for using the software. And the internal procedure that maintains the overall internal working of each part of a computer system by directing the flow of information. So we have the next element, the data. Data is the facts and figures that are fed into a computer for further processing. Data is raw until the computer system interprets it using machine language, stores it in memory, and classifies it for processing, and procedures result in conformance with the instructions given to it. Process the useful data is called information, which is used for decision making. Lastly, we have the connectivity. So, connectivity is when 2 or more computers are connected to each other. They can share information and resources such as sharing of files, data, music, and etc. Sharing of printer, sharing of facilities like the internet, and many more. This sharing is possible using wires, cables, satellite, infrared, and Bluetooth, microwave, transmission, and etc. So now we have the classification of computer system. There are 5 classifications of computer system, namely the PC or personal computer, or what we call microcomputers. Second, workstation. Third, mini computer. Fourth, mainframe. And the 5th one, supercomputer. So PC or microcomputer is a single-user computer system having a moderately powerful microprocessor. It is termed as a computer that is equipped microprocessor as its CPU. Second, workstation is a computer used for engineering applications. They stop publishing software development and other such types of applications which require a moderate amount of computing power and relatively high-quality graphics capabilities. It is also a single-user computer system, similar to the personal computer, however, has a more powerful microprocessor. The third one, mini computer. So, mini computer is a multi-user computer system capable of supporting up to 250 users simultaneously. So, the next classifications of computer system is the mainframe. Mainframe is a multi-users computer system capable of supporting hundreds and even thousands of users simultaneously. Software technology is different from mini computer. Last, we have supercomputer. Supercomputer is an extremely fast computer which can execute hundreds of millions of instructions per second. Next, we have the capabilities and limitations of computer system. I have here 5 capabilities of computer system: speed, accuracy, reliability, adaptability, and storage. So, speed means the duration computer system requires in fulfilling a task or completing an activity. It is well known that computers need very little time than humans in completing a task. Accuracy. Accuracy means the level of precision with which calculations are made and tasks are performed. Errors attributable to hardware are generally distinguished and corrected by the computer system itself. Reliability. Reliability is the quality due to which the user can stay dependable on the computer. Computers system are well adjusted to do repetitive tasks. They never get tired, bored, or fatigued. Adaptability. Adaptability means the quality of it to complete a different type of task, simple as well as complex. Lastly, we have the storage. Storage is the ability of the computer to store data in itself for accessing it again in future. A general computer system has a capacity of storing and providing online millions of characters and thousands of pictures. The limitations. I have here 3 limitations of computer system: lack of common sense, zero IQ, lack of decision making. Lack of common sense is one of the major limitations of a computer system. No matter how efficient, fast, and reliable computer systems might be, but yet do not have any common sense because no foolproof of algorithm has been designed to program logic into them as computers function based on the stored programs. They simply lack of common sense. Zero IQ. Another of the limitations of computer system is that they have zero intelligence quotients, or IQ. They are unable to see and think the actions to perform in a particular situation unless the situation is already programmed into them. Computers are programmable to complete each and every task. However, it may be small. The third one, lack of decision making. Decision making is a complicated process involving information, knowledge, intelligence, wisdom, and ability to judge. The computer does not have the ability to make decisions on their own because they do not possess all the essentials of decision making. Now, let's move on to the advantages and disadvantages of a computer system. So, the advantages of a computer system, first, we have the multitasking. Multitasking is one among the main advantages of computer. The computer can do multiple tasks, multiple operations at the same time, calculate numerical problems within few seconds. Second, speed. One of the most advantages of computer is its incredible speed, which helps humans to finish their tasks in few seconds. Communication. Computer helps the user in better understanding and communication with the other devices. Productivity. Productivity gets automatically doubled as the computer can do the work very fast. Accuracy. Accuracy is one among the basic advantages of computer as which will perform not only calculations but also with accuracy. So now, we have here the disadvantages. First, virus and hacking attacks. Yes, virus may be a worm and hacking is just an unauthorized access of our computer for a few illicit purposes. Virus can go to other systems from email attachment, viewing an infected website advertisement through removable device like USB and etc. Online cyber crimes means computer and network may have utilized in order to commit crime. Cyber stalking and fraud are the points which comes under online cyber crimes. Health risk. Because of spending so much time in computer, it is possible to have health deficiency. So, and also can limit learning and create a dependency. Yes, because of the platforms that are available and easy to access nowadays, people may rely on it and we become dependent rather and make us lazy. For example, in making an essay, we tend not to study and practice about the proper grammar and spelling because there is a spelling errors and grammar check. Time sink and lots of distractions. One of the disadvantages, because although computer can be a great creation to increase your productivity, it can also be harmful in terms of wasting too much time. For example, you are learning about any particular topic or researching about your report and you see a notifications in your Facebook or TikTok about a friend posting videos or photos. So, you get curious about what she was posting and click that notification. And then, you spend so much time surfing in your social media and forgot what's your goal. So, those are the elements, classifications, limitations, and advantages and disadvantages of a computer system. That would be all. Thank you so much.